Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen, and I'm very happy, and you know why? Because finally I made it. Unity now is working with Visual Studio, finally, and in this video I'm going to show you how it's working and what I did to make it work. So you can see that I have here assets folder, and this folder contains a single script, and I go to assets and I click here open C# project, and it's loading this project pretty uh, you know it's not fast loading, I must admit, but I'm happy that it's at least opening this solution. So you can see that I have here blue color, green color, I have here assets in this folder, so it's working. Finally it's integrated. It's so awesome, people. It took me 2 days to make it working, for real. It's 2 days long, and in this video I'm going to show you what problems I had before. Okay, let's just close this. You can see that my current version of Unity is 5.2.1 P4. P stands for patch. My previous version of Unity was this one, 5.2.1 F, and I installed this version, this one, together with Visual Studio and Visual Studio tools for Unity. So through such installer, web installer. So if you double click there, so you go to such list, you need to accept terms and other stuff, and you will have this list. This is what version I have now. But before this version, I had this version, and I installed their Unity Web Player, Standard Assets, Example Project, and Visual Studio. And in this version 5.2.1 F1, I went to my Unity, and I could not understand why, if I go to preferences, I click browse, and I select Visual Studio. I'm going to show you where Visual Studio is located. So let's just show you this before we go ahead. Microsoft Visual Studio. So here we go. So once you install Unity and Visual Studio and the rest of stuff with web installer, you will have here two options. Something like this, built in, or I don't remember, something like and browse. You will not have Visual Studio here. So what do? You click browse, and you select this file, which is located in the following directory: C, program files. You will have here 86 or 64 bits, Visual Studio, Command 7 IDE, and you will select this file, this one, and it will show you Visual Studio over here, and you will be good. But you will be good only if you have this version of Unity. If you have this version of Unity, for example this one, you will double click at your script, you will open this C# project, and it will not show you any color. It will show you only black color in Visual Studio. It will not show up syntax. you will have here only black font, and you will have here a message that something not available, something is not good. So you will not have here this text one project. You will have here something like not available or not working, and you will not see here references and assets. If you can see here black color and you cannot see here assets, then it's not integrated with Unity. And this is what I had before when I was working with this version 5.2.1 F1. Now I installed this version 5.2.1 patch 4, and now you can see that I have here syntax highlight. I can see here my assets folder, and it's integrated and it's good. But there's only one but here. Guys in Unity, they said that you also should see here this line. So you should have this line here, and also you should have green and blue color over here, and this assets folder over here. If you have it working, you will have here assets, you will have here colors, and you will not see here any not available text. You will see here everything like this. And once again, to show you how I did this, I'm going to repeat. I removed, actually I know I didn't, I removed my old version, this one. I just downloaded this version. It's a patch, and and have to search for patches. Okay, so I went to Unity website, unity3d.com, and there's very special links in the bottom. So it's beta, latest release, and patch. So, and I will show you the difference. So this is the latest version. It's not fixed version, and this version is not working correctly with Visual Studio as far as I understand now. So this is not what you need. This is also not what you need, because obviously it's a beta and it's available only for users who have a pro version of Unity. You will need this patch, so you can download or only editor or whole all the package. I download this guy. You can see it, it over here. Link 5.2.1 P4. I click here, I download it, and then I install this, and then I'm good. It's finally working, and I'm so happy. It took me 2 days to make it work. It's amazing. It's really finally it's working. But also I must admit that Visual Studio is slower than MonoDevelop. So for instance, if I double click at this script, so let's just say I close this window, I double, and it will take me like 15 seconds or something, or maybe more, to load it up if my Visual Studio application is closed. But if I double click at some other script while it's opened, let's just wait for a couple of seconds, I believe, it will load much faster. You can see it from here. While in MonoDevelop, it doesn't matter your MonoDevelop application is opened or not, it will load it very fast. But also pros and cons. this Visual Studio is much better for usability, but it's not fast for you if you have not very powerful computer like me. But MonoDevelop is faster, but it has not very good rating for usability. So you choose what you want. But in this video, I'm going to show you how I showed you only how to make it work with current version of Unity. So you need to apply patch. That's all in short sentence. Just apply patch. Okay, enough of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good time and bye bye. Bye bye and have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting or maybe not very interesting. Bye bye. I'm so happy it's working.